Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make this lace crop top. I will make this in the size extra small, but you can find the free written pattern for all sizes from extra small to 4 extra large on my blog at the description below. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now let's get started. To make it, you will need a spot weight yarn, 3.5mm crochet hook, darning needle, scissors and stick markers. We will start with the crop top panel first. First, you will need to make a slip knot. Then you will need to make a foundation chain with 198 chains. After having 198 chains, slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round. To make the first round, chain 3, this is counted as a stitch in this part. Double crochet into the second chain from the hook. Double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Chain 3, skip 2 chains, single crochet into the next chain. Chain 3, skip 2 chains, double crochet into the next 4 stitches. Repeat the pattern to chain 3, skip 2 chains, single crochet, chain 3, skip 2 chains, double crochet into the next 4 stitches until you have 5 chains left. When we have 5 chains left, chain 3, skip 2 chains, single crochet into the next chain. Chain 3, skip 2 chains, slip stitch into the third chain of the turning chain. We should have 22 pattern repeats in total. To make the second round, chain 1, single crochet into the first stitch. Chain 3, skip 3 stitches, single crochet into the chain 3 space. Chain 4, single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Chain 4, skip 4 stitches, single crochet into the chain 3 space. Chain 4, single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Repeat the pattern to chain 4, skip 4 stitches, single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 4, single crochet into the next chain 3 space until the last chain 3 space. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the first stitch. To make the third round, chain 3, make 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space. Chain 3, single crochet into the chain 4 space. Chain 3, make 4 double crochet into the next chain 4 space. Repeat the pattern to chain 3, single crochet into the chain 4 space. Chain 3, make 4 double crochet into the next chain 4 space until 1 chain 4 space left. When there's 1 chain 4 space left, chain 3, single crochet into the last chain 4 space. Chain 3, slip stitch into the third chain of the turning chain. Repeat from row 2 to row 3 until row 21. Now we have 21 rows in total. I'm going to make the row 22. This is also the border of the top. We need to chain 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Single crochet into each double crochet. Make 2 single crochets into the chain 3 space. Skip the single crochet, make 2 single crochets into the chain 3 space. Repeat the pattern until the end. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Fasten off. Next, we will make the border ribbon. We need to make a foundation chain with 20 chains. After having 20 chains, we are going to make the first row by single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Single crochet to each chain until end. We should have 19 stitches in total. To make the second row, chain 1, back loop single crochet into the first stitch. Back loop single crochet to each stitch until one stitch left. Single crochet to last stitch. Repeat row 2 until row 154. Fasten off. Leave the yarn to sew 2 soft sides of the body ribbon and sew the body ribbon to the crop top panel. Sew 2 soft sides of the body ribbon together. Next, we will crochet 2 straps to the crop top. I'm going to make the foundation chain with 6 chains. After having 6 chains, double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. Double crochet into each chain until the end. We will have 4 stitches in total. To make the second row, chain 2, turn your work, double crochet into the 1st stitch from the hook. Double crochet into each stitch until end. We should have 4 stitches in total. Repeat row 2 until row 22. Fast enough, leave the yarn to sew the strap to the crop top. To finish the crop top, pin straps into the place. Sew straps onto the crop top. pin the border ribbon under the crop top and whip stitch the border ribbon to the crop top. By whip stitch 9 stitches of the crop top to 7 rows of the border ribbon. Weaving off of your ends. I have finished the crop top. See you soon in the next video making the lace dress from this crop top. Thanks for watching. Bye!